Can you imagine giving birth amid a hail of bullets, knowing hospitals weren't an option because Native women were being sterilized without consent? This is the story of Mary Brave Bird, who brought life into the turmoil of the 1973 Wounded Knee reoccupation, defying both violence and systemic injustice to fight for her people's survival. In 1973, the American Indian Movement, AIM, and Oglala Lakota activists reclaimed Wounded Knee, South Dakota, protesting decades of broken treaties and the corruption of tribal chairman Dick Wilson. For 71 days, they faced federal blockades, harsh winter conditions, and relentless gunfire. Among them was 18-year-old Mary Brave Bird, pregnant and resolute in her commitment to her people's cause. Amid the chaos, Mary went into labor. Hospitals were not an option. Native women had suffered forced sterilizations, and Mary refused to risk her reproductive rights. Supported by fellow activists and guided by traditional prayers, she gave birth to her son, Pedro, inside a tipi, with gunfire echoing around them. Pedro was hailed as a warrior, symbolizing resilience and hope amid adversity. Although the reoccupation ended in bloodshed, Mary's courageous act became a beacon of strength. Her story, chronicled in her memoir, Lakota Woman, continues to inspire, reminding us of the enduring spirit of Native peoples and their ongoing fight for justice.